Hello and welcome to this Heat Mobile Services tutorial. Get to know your new Android smartphone for Verizon. In the next 15 minutes, you'll learn how to use your new HUD-issued Verizon Android smartphone. More specifically, you'll learn how to activate your Verizon Android device, how to initially set up your device, how to create a Google account, how to download the Intune app, how to enroll your device in Intune, and how to check for system updates. Let's get started. Once you have removed your device from the packaging, you can begin the initial activation, which should only take a few minutes. Let's begin with the Android initial activation for Verizon. Prior to turning on your new device, use a separate line and call the activation line at 877-807-4646. Next, enter the mobile telephone number. When the recording comes on, press 1. The recording will then advise you to press 1 again in order to activate the order and the device. When the recording comes on that the activation is complete, you can hang up. Your device is now activated. You are now ready for the initial device setup, which should take approximately 5 minutes to complete. Power on the device by holding the power button. The power button is located on the top right edge. Once the setup wizard comes up, select English and tap Next. Then tap Next on the phone activation screen. And then tap Skip on the email setup screen. Please wait for the checking connection screen to clear. Also wait for the checking software update screen to clear. After it clears, select Skip on the Tap and Go feature screen. You'll receive a checking info prompt that should appear for a few seconds. If prompted, select Accept on the Google Settings pop-up window. On the Add Your Account screen, select Create a New Account in order to create a Google ID that will be used for your new device. Please note that if you already have a personal Google ID, it should not be used for this activation. Enter your name and identifying information and then select Next on the Google account screen. Create an email address using the same format as your HUD email. The only difference is that this account will have an @gmail.com domain at the end. If you find your name is taken, then add unique numbers at the end to make it acceptable. Also, create a password that is 8 characters long with at least 1 capital letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Remember this password because you will be asked for it when accessing the Google Play Store later in these steps. Before continuing with this tutorial, it is important to note that by the end of this activation, you will have 2 passwords in addition to your existing HUD password, one for your HUD-issued mobile device and one for your newly created Google account. Click Skip when prompted to enter in a phone number. Select I agree on the Privacy and Terms screen. Select Next to verify your Google account. You'll then receive a checking info prompt that could last a couple moments. When prompted to set up payment info, select Remind Me Later. Please note that you will not have to enter credit card information to use Google account or your device. Now uncheck all of the options on the Google Services screen and select Next. Tap Done on the Setup Wizard screen. Select Skip when prompted to create a Samsung account. Tap No on the Protect Your Phone pop-up. You are now at your home screen. Swipe the screen to the left to reveal more options. To continue with the device setup, your phone must be encrypted to install and use Intune. Let's get started with encryption. Select Settings from the icon with the blue gear. On the Settings screen, scroll down and select Lock Screen and Security under Personal. Select Other Security Settings. It is important to have your device plugged in and have over 80% battery life to go any further with this setup. If you are ready to proceed, select Encrypt Device. On the Encrypt Device screen, select Set Screen Lock Type. Select Password on the Select Screen Lock. Enter an 8-digit alphanumeric code with at least one number and one capital letter. This is your device password, not your HUD password or Gmail password. Use this password to unlock your phone. Select Show Content and select Done on the notification screen. Select Encrypt Phone at the bottom of the Encrypt Phone screen. Enter in the device password you just created, keeping in mind that this is not your HUD, LAN, email, or Gmail account password. Do not check Fast Encryption on the Confirm Encryption page. Select Encrypt Phone. Your device will shut down and then provide a progress bar for the encryption. Once complete, your phone will reboot again. Now that you have set up your new device, you are ready to download the Intune app and enroll your device. This process can take anywhere from 25 minutes to 3 hours to complete. Before we continue, please note that Microsoft Office applications cannot be pushed without a Wi-Fi connection. Please download the Intune Company portal as soon as you receive your device using a Wi-Fi connection because it is required to finish the application install. Unlock your phone with your device password. You are now at your home screen. Swipe the screen to the left to reveal more options. Select Settings from the icon with the blue gear. Tap the Wi-Fi option under Wireless and Networks. Select your wireless network and enter the password. Press the Home button on the bottom center of your phone to return to the home screen and tap the Google Play icon to launch the Google Play Store app. The Google Play Store will open. Select the Google Play search bar at the top of the screen. Type Intune and select Intune Company Portal from the drop-down. Select Install on the application page. Select Accept on the Access pop-up window. You'll receive a progress bar for the installation, which could take several minutes. After the installation is complete, select Open. This will begin the Intune enrollment process. Select Sign In and enter your HUD email address and HUD LAN email password. This is not your PIV card PIN, but your actual HUD password. Select Enroll at the bottom right-hand corner of the device enrollment screen. On the Activate Phone Administrator screen, select Activate in the bottom right corner. You'll receive an enrolling prompt that could last for several minutes depending on your network connection. On the KLMS Agent screen, place a check mark in the box at the bottom of the screen and click Confirm. You'll receive the same enrolling prompt, and it could last several minutes. Once enrolled, you will see the home screen of Intune with Categories and All Apps as headers. Click your Home button on the bottom center of your device and go back to the home screen. From the home screen, click on the email icon in the center left. Click OK on the activation pop-up window. Enter your HUD LAN email address and password. This is not your PIV card PIN, but your actual HUD password, and click OK. Tap OK on the Security Update Required pop-up. Select Activate on the next screen. Enrollment is now complete. It could take up to 3 hours for your email, calendar, and contacts to fully sync. Once you've been notified by your Information Technology Director that it is okay to check for system updates, go to the App tray, select Settings. From the Settings screen, scroll down until you reach the System header. Tap System Updates. Tap Check for New System Update. Wait for the Checking for New Software screen to update. You'll receive a prompt that the software is up to date or that an update is available. If an update is available, select Continue Update. Select that option and the update will begin. If your software is already up to date, select OK. Thank you for watching this Heat Mobile Services tutorial. And remember, if you have any questions or need customer support, please contact the HUD National Help Desk at 1-888-297-8689, option 9.